If you have ever invested in an IPO, then you would have definitely come across the term grey market premium or GMP. What exactly is GMP and can it be trusted? Let's break it down in simple words. In India, many families believe in Kundli matching before the wedding, and if the match score is high, for example, say 36 ke 36 gun mil gaye, then it is said to be an ideal couple. The family and relatives start bragging about the match made in heaven, the stars have aligned, etc. etc. Similarly, grey market premium is the build-up expectation of a price even before it is listed on a stock exchange. And when the wedding day arrives, everything looks perfect because of the bling, decoration, the cameras, everybody congratulating the couple. Similarly, on the listing day, everything looks very nice, promising for the future of the company, expecting that it will give a very nice listing gain. But the reality hasn't kicked yet. Once the marriage begins, the couple starts to discover that they come from different backgrounds, they have different upbringings, there are communication gap and whatnot. Similarly, in case of IPO, the grey market premium is an overhyped or price which is being built up on emotions and not fundamentals. The actual position of the stock price is only known after the listing. GMP is the price one is willing to pay for a share which is not even yet listed on a stock exchange. GMP is a high price of a product before it is launched. It is very helpful, but it is extremely risky. It talks about the expectations of the market, but there is no certainty on the result. It is an unregulated or official market. There is no SEBI, there is no stock exchange, no market regulator. It is just a buzz created by the investors. It is generally the HNIs or big institutions which drive the grey market. Let's talk about different type of GMP based on real examples. First one is positive GMP. Tata Technologies came up with their IPO in 2023. Their issue price was 500. The GMP was around 350 to 400. According to GMP, their market price or the listing price should have been around 900, that is 500 plus 400. But actually the share got listed at 1200 rupees, proving the market expectation and the performance of the stock on stock exchange were the same. The second type of GMP is negative GMP. Consider the case of Reliance Power, which came up with their IPO in 2008. The issue price was 450 rupees and the GMP during the process was around 100 rupees. But the GMP fell to zero or negative just before listing. Yet the stock was listed at a premium at 547 rupees, giving a gain to the investors. And within few days, the stock price crashed to 370. Here, the investor expected the share to be listed at 450 or below 450 on the listing day, but it was listed at 547, proving the market expectations wrong. The third type is zero GMP. Zero GMP is when the market is indifferent, there is no hype about the stock. Consider the case of LIC, which came up with their IPO in 2022. The issue price was 949. The GMP was 0 to minus 20 rupees. So as per the market, the stock should have been listed around 920 to 949, but the actual listing happened way below at 872. The next type is volatile GMP. Consider the case of Paytm or 197 Communications, which came up with their IPO in 2021. The issue price was 2,150. The GMP was around 200 rupees throughout the listing process, but just before the listing day, the GMP turned negative. The stock was listed at a discount of 1,950 rupees, and on day one, the stock fell to 1,564 rupees. These are examples that you would have predicted the market or the stock to perform in a certain way, but the share price after listing tells us the real story. So next time you make an IPO application, do your study, do your research. Don't make an IPO application based on GMP. GMP is just an indicator of the market expectation, but this will not necessarily turn into reality. Check on the fundamentals of the company, the management, the promoters, and many more stuff before actually investing in a company. Have you ever tracked the GMP before making an investment? If yes, do mention them in the comment section below. Please like, share and subscribe for more simple finance explanations. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.
Investments in securities are subject to market risk. Read all related documents carefully before investing.